Want to use your favorite song or sound as your ringtone on iPhone? Here's how to create a custom ringtone without needing a computer. First, download the GarageBand app from the App Store if you don't already have it. Open GarageBand, select Audio Recorder, then tap the Tracks View icon. Now, tap the loop icon in the top right and choose Files. Import the song or sound you want to use. Just make sure it's under 40 seconds. Once it's in your timeline, trim it to the exact part you want for your ringtone. Tap the down arrow in the top left. Choose My Songs and long press your file. Tap Share, then choose Ringtone. Give it a name, then tap Export. After it finishes, tap Use Sound As to set it immediately as your ringtone or assign it later in Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone. And that's it. You've got a fully custom ringtone using nothing but your iPhone. Follow for more iPhone tricks and let me know if you want a guide for custom text tones next.